How do I get to the train station?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
The nearest bus stop is just around the corner.
Can you show me the way to the supermarket?
Go straight and take the second right. The supermarket is on the left.
Which road leads to the airport?
Take Main Street and follow the signs for the airport.
How far is the hospital from here?
It is about 10 minutes by car.
Where is the post office?
The post office is next to the bank.
What's the best way to reach the city center?
Walk 2 blocks straight, then take the tram.
Where can I find a taxi stand?
There is a taxi stand near the hotel entrance.
How do I reach the museum?
Take the subway to Central Station, then walk 5 minutes.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, it is 2 blocks ahead on the right.
Which way goes to the park?
Turn left at the traffic light. The park is straight ahead.
How do I get to the library?
Go straight, then turn right at the bakery.
Where is the nearest cafe?
The cafe is next to the cinema.
How far is the shopping mall from here?
It is 15 minutes by bus.
Can you guide me to the train platform?
Follow the signs to platform 3.
Where can I find a restroom?
There is a restroom behind the main hall.
Which street goes to the stadium?
Take Oak Street and walk straight for 500 meters.
How do I reach the river?
Walk straight until you see the bridge.
Where is the nearest gas station?
It is on Maple Street next to the supermarket.
How do I get to the cinema?
Turn right at the traffic light. It is the second building on the left.
Where is the nearest ATM?
The ATM is outside the bank, near the entrance.
How do I go to the hotel?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Where is the nearest bus station?
It is across the street from the library.
How far is the city hall?
It is 10 minutes by walk.
Where is the nearest train station entrance?
The entrance is behind the shopping center.
How do I reach the art gallery?
Take Main Street, turn left, and it will be on your right.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
The supermarket is at the corner of First Avenue and Pine Street.
How can I get to the airport by taxi?
Ask the driver to follow Route 5 directly to the airport.
Which bus goes to the university?
Bus number 12 goes directly to the university.
How do I get to the city library?
Go straight, turn right at the bookstore, and walk 200 meters.
Where is the nearest bookshop?
The bookshop is next to the coffee shop.
How far is the bus stop?
It is 3 minutes walk from here.
Where is the main square?
Go straight, then turn left at the fountain.
Which way is the train station exit?
Follow the signs to the main exit.
How do I reach the subway station?
Walk straight, then take the escalator down.
Where is the nearest hospital entrance?
The entrance is on Elm Street.
How can I reach the market?
Walk 2 blocks straight, then turn right.
Where is the nearest parking lot?
The parking lot is behind the mall.
Which road leads to the zoo?
Take Green Street and follow the signs.
How do I get to the beach?
Follow the coastal road for 5 kilometers.
Where is the nearest playground?
It is next to the school.
How far is the cinema from here?
It is 10 minutes walk.
How do I reach the concert hall?
Take the subway to Central Station and walk 5 minutes.
Where is the nearest bakery?
The bakery is across the street from the pharmacy.
How can I find the city museum?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Where is the nearest police station?
The police station is next to the fire station.
How do I reach the stadium entrance?
Follow Oak Street until you see the stadium on the right.
Where is the nearest hotel?
The hotel is just 2 blocks away.
How far is the church from here?
It is 5 minutes by walk.
Where can I find a taxi service?
There is a taxi stand in front of the mall.
How do I reach the Railway Museum?
Take the bus to Central Station and walk 3 minutes.
Where is the nearest shopping center?
The shopping center is on Main Street.
How can I get to the Botanical Garden?
Go straight, turn left at the fountain, and it will be on your right.
Where is the nearest bus ticket counter?
It is next to the main entrance of the station.
How do I get to the nearest train?
Follow the signs to Platform 1.
Where is the nearest restaurant?
The restaurant is next to the cinema.
How far is the nearest gas station?
It is 5 minutes by car.
How can I reach the ferry terminal?
Take River Road straight, then turn left at the port.
Where is the nearest playground entrance?
It is at the corner of Maple Street.
How do I get to the city zoo?
Walk 2 blocks straight, turn right, and follow the signs.
Where is the nearest ice cream shop?
The ice cream shop is next to the park entrance.
How far is the bus terminal?
It is 10 minutes by taxi.
How can I reach the nearest school?
Go straight for 1 block, then turn left.
Where is the nearest coffee shop?
The coffee shop is near the train station.
How do I get to the nearest library entrance?
Take Main Street and turn left at the bookstore.
Where is the nearest bakery shop?
It is across the street from the bank.
How far is the nearest supermarket?
It is a 5-minute walk.
How can I reach the nearest clinic?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
Where is the nearest playground?
It is near the community center.
How do I get to the stadium?
Follow Green Street straight. The stadium is on your left.
Where is the nearest restaurant entrance?
It is on Oak Street next to the gas station.
How far is the nearest hotel?
It is about 5 minutes by taxi.
How do I reach the cinema hall?
Go straight for 2 blocks and turn left.
Where is the nearest public restroom?
It is near the main square.
How far is the nearest bus stop?
It is 3 minutes walk ahead.
Where is the nearest train ticket counter?
It is near Platform 1.
How can I reach the airport terminal?
Take the highway straight for 10 km.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It is next to the supermarket.
How do I get to the city center?
Go straight, then take the second left.
Where is the nearest taxi stand?
It is in front of the shopping mall.
How far is the nearest park?
It is 5 minutes by walk.
How do I reach the riverfront?
Walk straight until you see the bridge.
Where is the nearest ATM machine?
It is outside the bank on the right.
How can I reach the nearest hotel?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
Where is the nearest supermarket entrance?
It is at the corner of First Avenue.
How far is the nearest post office?
It is 10 minutes by walk.
How do I reach the city museum?
Follow Main Street for 3 blocks, then turn left.
Where is the nearest police station?
It is next to the fire station.
How far is the nearest library?
It is 5 minutes walk.
How do I get to the beach road?
Take the coastal road straight for 3 km.
Where is the nearest park entrance?
It is on Maple Street.
How far is the nearest train station?
It is 10 minutes by taxi.
How can I reach the shopping mall?
Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light.
Where is the nearest bus stand?
It is next to the city square.
How do I get to the nearest museum?
Walk 2 blocks straight, then turn right.
Where is the nearest playground entrance?
It is behind the school.